Right, so this is the hobbyking 12 volt soldering iron. It's one that you can have connected up to a 3-cell LiPo battery. Anyway, we're going to see how many volts this will go up to. Right, so I've plugged the hobbyking soldering iron into the power supply. I've currently got it at 14.5 volts, and it's got one of these, I think they're 4mm banana plug jacks. I'm just going to solder a wire onto it to see if it's got enough heat. Solder it. So it's definitely got enough power in it to be able to solder a reasonably large connection. Alright, so it's been sitting at 16 volts for about half an hour now. I've been using it. It seems to be fine. I'll just turn it up a bit more just to see what happens. Probably go bang. Oh well, it'll definitely go 16.5 anyway. Oh well, no pops yet anyway. That seems to be okay. So we're at 17 volts anyway. So it'll definitely work on a 4-cell pack. Okay, so I've got a crocodile clip here. You can see how quickly it'll heat this up and solder it. Yeah, almost instantly. So it's got plenty of heat, plenty of power now to really solder just about anything that you need to. Right, so I've got another one of these 4mm, I think it is, or something. Yeah, if it's a 4mm banana plug. Try that. Yep, easily heats that up. So definitely seems like a good soldering iron. I dare say it probably will go up to 20 volts, but I'm not going to push it any further. It's hot enough for what I need it for. I'll easily do these terminals, so it'll do any RC terminals. But anyway, the one thing I would say about this soldering iron is I like it. It's very good value for money. But like most cheap soldering irons, the tips, this one is not very good. This one that I got from banggood.com, I've had this on here, had it on now for about 6 months or so, and there's nothing wrong with it, it's absolutely fine. This one, it's already started to oxidise. I don't think it's going to last very long, even though it's had solder on it all the time. These are the ones that I brought from banggood.com. You get 10. I think it was under £4. I'll put a link in the description to them anyway, just in case you fancy getting some bigger ones, because the bigger tips are a lot easier to use for soldering large connections. But yeah, these tips do seem to be better than the tips that you get with a soldering iron. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe if you'd like to. Thanks for watching. Bye. Right, so in the end I cranked mine up to 19.4 volts. So you can see it's definitely plugged in. 19.4 volts and it's still working. Yeah.